And hello everyone, what's up? My name is Ergo, the Lowly Human. And I'm back for another unboxing video. So this time, this is from Razer. This is a Razer Kishi. I finally got enough Razer Silver, ordered this from their site, and voila! We got the package. So you probably already know about Razer, but just in case, here's a quick overview. So Razer, it is the world's leading lifestyle brand for gamers. They're very big, international. They make a lot of gaming peripherals, hardware. They also have software that works in conjunction with their hardware. Imagine that. So they have won a ton of awards with their laptops, mice, keyboards, audio, gaming lifestyle systems, and other gaming products. Right, so there you have it. Razer Kishi 80,000 Razer Silver. Delivery time was around 2 weeks. Looks like this is from Hong Kong, from Carrier Logistics, Hong Kong. Delivered by FedEx. So it says here import. Okay, you can't see it, but it says import there. That's import. So international delivery. Razer Kishi. And as you can see, that is how it looks. Your phone will feel like a controller. And you can also click the analog thumbsticks. Nice. And there's universal fit, so you can stretch, tighten it up. So it should fit most phones. Unless there's a humongous phone that suddenly came out, or a super tiny phone. But it should be fine most of the time. Ultra low latency gameplay, so almost no lag. Just what gamers need, no lag. Alright, so let's go unbox. Let's do this. Open it up. Alright, so we've opened it, we've unboxed it. Now, let's test it out. So I connected it on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Fits in perfectly. It's not loose, it's not too tight. So actually the controls here all already work on the phone screen. See, I can move it. I can select if I want to. Where do we go? Where do we game launcher? Yep. And we'll choose abuse. So this one is one of the supported games for Kishi. Movement here, left analog, up, jump, working. This one is for aiming, right analog. Then to fire, R1, the shoulder button. So far so good. I think we can also use, okay, just R1, right analog for aiming, left analog for moving and for jumping. And I think you can press B, go to the pause screen, also quit. Let's go back. Wait, we have ammo. We should not be wasting our ammos. Enemies. Yes, I do agree. There is no input lag. Controls are very smooth. It's just like playing on a console. So plus points for that. What to do here? Oh, there's a switch. Okay, so here comes the verdict. First up, we have delivery. So I ordered this from Hong Kong. I live in the Philippines. And I got the package after 2 weeks. Some shops here deliver more than 2 weeks in the Philippines as well. So the fact that it is faster than some of the shops here says a lot about the delivery service of Razer. So we're giving this a score of 5 out of 5. Next up is price. So this costs around $159.95. Well, New Zealand dollars. If you convert that to pesos, I think that's around 5,000 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Yes, 5,447 pesos and 90 cents. Plus there's an additional shipping fee here, around 30 NZD. So it's quite a bit expensive for a controller. I'm sure there are a lot more controllers that are cheaper. I think I saw at the hardware store here around 2,000 pesos, even less. But come on, it's Razer. They're a well-known brand, high-end quality brand. You know, you can expect their customer service to be excellent as well. So we're giving this a score of 3.5 out of 5. Alright, so next up is compatibility. Very, very important for the controller. Which games are supported? How many games? Does it support your favorite game? So for the Razer Kishi, well, they do have their own app you can download on the Play Store. So from here, you can see they have a wide variety of games that support the Kishi. But it does not support all of the big games yet. I was hoping it would support games like League of Legends, Wild Rift, Marvel Super War, even the quirky games like Slam Dunk or Brawl Stars. But no, it's not supported. Instead, you get a lot of random games. Although you can get around that in a way by downloading certain apps. They have apps that enable you to map out your controls from the controller, like the octopus. So with the octopus, you can basically use the controller with any game. So with the octopus, you will be able to assign buttons, assign the analog sticks, assign the shoulder buttons, start, home buttons, even the control pad or the directional sticks. You can assign it on the touchscreen from your phone. So that gives you basically access or compatibility to all the games here in mobile. Although it's a bit complicated, you have to do some research. You have to read, read to be able to enable that function. So we're hoping they get native support soon as possible for all the big games that we love. But right now, it is still lacking. We will have to wait. So this gets a score of 3 out of 5 for us. And lastly, there is function. Function. So from the games or the game we were playing earlier, no input lag. Just felt like playing on a console using a controller, but instead of a huge TV, you're using your phone. Just felt natural. So for function, we have no problems. We're giving it a score of a perfect 5. Overall, this gets a score of 4.125 out of 5. Very solid. Very nice. Alright, so anyway, please like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more random unboxing and random gaming videos. Ergo, the Lowly Human, signing off. Bye, guys. Me out immediately.